Rainforests are disappearing around the world at alarming rates, and current methods for monitoring deforestation are too slow and too labor-intensive to be effective. I am testing a simpler method to detect deforestation before it may be too late. The long call of male orangutans may just be the key for detecting deforestation and initiating rainforest protection. The long call is a long-distance vocalization produced only by males. Long calls could be heard more than 10 football fields away, making them easy to detect and record. The long call is costly to produce because the calling male could be giving away his location to more dominant males who may initiate a fight. Because of this, only males in fighting form may risk calling. This also means that when food is scarce, males may not risk calling. I have observed that males call less often in seasons of low food availability, so I'm using the differences between seasons to examine the relation of vocal behavior and the current forest conditions. I need to return to Borneo to confirm this trend, and I need your support for one more trip to my field site to record more long calls during different seasons. Once this link is confirmed, the approach of using vocalizations to indicate forest condition could be repeated in other animals in vulnerable areas around the world.